Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and use the StudySync app. First, you're going to need your phone and your computer. Download the StudySync app wherever you buy apps on your cell phone. It'll look like this. You're going to be prompted for a unique ID. Log into StudySync to access this code. First, you're going to want to launch your page. Then go up to the top right-hand corner where you see your name. Click the little drop-down arrow. And then you're going to go to Settings. And then you'll see over on the left-hand corner 5 different options. Select App Key. You're going to see your unique app key. Make sure you copy that down exactly onto your phone. Next, come up with a 4-digit code that you will remember. Your teacher won't have access to this. Select No to save space on your phone. You don't need that. Then you're going to see your StudySync welcome page. You can select assignments just like you can online. You can even complete work on StudySync.